Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate on Rocket Pool staking dApps, full guide step by step clearly. To authenticate on Rocket Pool staking dApps, begin by opening your preferred web browser. Navigate to the Rocket Pool official website. Locate the Launch App button and click on it. Once the app interface loads, choose the wallet you want to connect for your authentication. If you're using MetaMask, select it from the list of available wallets. Ensure your MetaMask wallet is installed and set up prior to this step. Once you select MetaMask, a pop-up window will appear prompting you to connect. Review the connection request carefully. Click on Connect if you agree with the permissions required. After connecting, your wallet address should display on the Rocket Pool interface. If you want to change the network, switch to the Ethereum mainnet in your wallet. It's essential to have ETH in your wallet for transaction fees. If you have other wallets, such as Ledger or Trezor, follow a similar connection process by selecting them in the dApp. After your wallet is connected, navigate to the staking section of the dApp. Decide how much ETH you wish to deposit for staking. Enter the amount in the provided field. Review the details carefully before proceeding. Click on the Stake button to initiate the transaction. A confirmation will appear in your wallet, displaying the transaction details. Review the transaction before clicking Confirm. Once confirmed, wait for the transaction to process on the Ethereum network. You can check the status of your transaction in your wallet. After successful processing, your staked ETH will be reflected in your Rocket Pool account. You are now authenticated and can monitor your staked assets within the dApp. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password. You can check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.